Welcome to Webstyle Press. In this video, I will show you how to edit PDF files easily on laptop or any PC. To do that, go to google.com, press Google Apps icon at the top right, select Drive. Once you are in Drive, upload PDF. Click New icon and select File Upload. Select PDF and click Open. After PDF is uploaded, double-click to open it. Click Open with Google Docs. Here you can edit the PDF as you like. Once you're done, you can download this edited PDF as a PDF document or Word document. To do that, click File, Download, PDF document. And here is the change that we just made. It is that easy. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.